Welcome to your ultimate guide on NetSuite Training for 2023. Brought to you by Emerge Technologies, your trusted partner in tailored NetSuite solutions. In today's video, we will be taking a deep dive into the topic of NetSuite Training. We'll be answering some key questions like, why is NetSuite Training essential? What are the different types of NetSuite Training available? What can businesses expect from well-trained users? And finally, some tips for how to choose the right training partner for your needs. First and foremost, the main point of this video is to impress upon viewers that at Emerge Technologies, we consider training to be an essential part of NetSuite users' success. Too many users view training as an afterthought. With all the new software features and implementation discussions, it is easy to run out of time or budget to properly train your users. Only second to a properly implemented NetSuite system, well-trained users are one of the best predictors of a company's success with the NetSuite platform. Some key benefits of well-trained users are maximized platform utilization. Understand how to use NetSuite's extensive features effectively, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. Increased efficiency. Navigate the platform more efficiently, perform tasks more quickly, and reduce time spent on troubleshooting. Enhanced data accuracy. Gain insights into proper data input and management, leading to more accurate reporting and better decision-making. Empower your team. Equip your team with the knowledge and confidence to use NetSuite to its fullest, leading to increased job satisfaction and improved performance. Stay updated. Keep up with NetSuite's regular updates and new features, ensuring your business continually benefits from the latest advancements. Improved decision-making. Utilize NetSuite's powerful analytics tools to make data-driven decisions that can positively impact your business. Now that we know why training is essential, let's discuss some training options that are available to users. Online courses. Some NetSuite partners have created self-paced learning courses. These courses often include video tutorials, written materials, and quizzes. Perfect for those with flexible schedules. Webinars, interactive online seminars led by NetSuite experts. Great for staying current with specific topics or updates in the NetSuite ecosystem. Customized training, tailored to your business's specific needs. Some partners offer custom training, especially beneficial if you have unique processes or a heavily customized NetSuite platform. NetSuite Learning Cloud Support, a subscription service from NetSuite themselves, offering a wide range of resources, including online courses, webinars, and a knowledge base of articles and tutorials. Certification programs, another formal NetSuite program that provides a certification upon completion, adding credibility to your NetSuite expertise. If you are going to invest time and resources into your users, here are some of the things you should expect from them after a while. In-house troubleshooting. Reduce downtime and frustration as trained users become adept at resolving common NetSuite issues, reducing your need for outside advisors and support. Internal training and skill reinforcement. Exceptionally well-trained users can turn into power users. Power users can conduct internal training sessions and practical exercises, reinforcing learning and ensuring a uniformly skilled team. Streamlined interface navigation. With trained users on board, your team will navigate the NetSuite dashboard more efficiently, customizing the interface to meet individual and company needs. Data-driven decision-making. Your company will benefit from actionable insights as trained users leverage NetSuite's robust reporting and analytics tools. Optimized workflows. Trained users can tailor NetSuite's workflows to align with your specific business processes, increasing operational efficiency and effectiveness. Specialized feature utilization. Depending on your business needs, trained users can offer specialized expertise in features like inventory management, financial management, and CRM functionalities. Best practices implementation. Trained users will advocate and implement NetSuite best practices, enhancing data accuracy, security, and overall operational efficiency. If you are considering purchasing NetSuite Training, here are some tips to help you find the right partner for your needs. Expertise and experience. Look for providers with a proven track record in NetSuite Training, as well as relevant industry experience. Training format options. Ensure the provider offers a variety of training formats like online courses, webinars, and in-person sessions to suit different learning styles. Customizability. A good provider should offer customizable training programs tailored to your business's specific needs and challenges. Post-training support. Evaluate the level of support offered after the training is complete, such as follow-up sessions, resources, and customer service. Cost and budget. Compare the cost of training programs against your budget, keeping in mind that the cheapest option may not always be the best. Accessibility and convenience. Check if the provider offers training options that are easily accessible, whether it's online or at a location convenient for your team. Up-to-date curriculum. Make sure the training provider keeps their curriculum updated to include the latest NetSuite features and best practices. We hope this video did the job of explaining why NetSuite training is essential for NetSuite user success, as well as provided some tips for users on how to find the right resources for their needs. If you want to learn more about training, you can check out our in-depth article on NetSuite training. Link will be in the description. Also, if you are looking for training for your users right now, reach out to the experts at Emerge Technologies. We offer custom training solutions for all users. Link will also be in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment for us, and we will be happy to respond as soon as we can. Finally, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.